Installing Power BI Desktop. You can either download it from the Microsoft Store, apps.microsoft.com. Windows handles automatic updates only elements that have been changed. It doesn't require administrator access. You can either download it manually from the website powerbi.microsoft.com/downloads. So at the end, you can see there is a download option and advanced download options in which no automatic updates would be there. There would be like it allows version control. It downloads also an executive file, installation file. Administrator access may be required. Or you can download it as a part of Microsoft 365. It is included as a part of select enterprise Office subscriptions. If your company uses a compatible version of Microsoft 365, talk to an admin about getting access to Power BI. You do not need to register for a Power BI Pro account to access Power BI Desktop. Basic versions of Power BI, it has in basic version, it has many features and that we will be using in this course.